I want to show you how you can use two different tools with Microsoft Word. These are embedded in there, and all you have to do is know where to look for them to find them. The first one is the Immersive Reader. So for my students who have trouble reading and they want to have it read aloud to them, I teach them how to go find this so they can use it on our Word documents. So the first thing you do is you go to View, click on View, and as you can see, Immersive Reader is right here. So we will switch to Immersive Reader. Now we can change the column width. If we wanted to, we could make it very wide. We could just keep it back where it was. We can change the page color. This might work with something that wasn't copied and pasted if it was just an actual Word document. We can focus on different lines. This is 3 lines, and then we can make it go down as we read, or we can focus on none. We can change the text spacing and make it spread out, or we can have it so that it is divided into syllables. But for right now, what I'll do is I will just let it read aloud to me.
The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the other road.
So as you could see, it showed the words as it was reading them, and that will help our students as well. So that was one tool. The other tool I'd like to show you is called Dictate. What I could do is, if I have a hard time writing, I can dictate what I want to put on the screen. And so what I'm going to do is I'll just read the last stanza of the poem and show you what it'll do. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that made all the difference. Now, when you finish, all you have to do is click the microphone and click the X. Now, was the punctuation correct? No. But for the most part, the words are exactly as I read them. This is very helpful if your students have trouble writing down their words. So anyway, those are 2 little tools I wanted to show you. I hope you can use them with your students. Have a great school year.